Holi festival ban that has now been called by West Bengal government's forest department that has banned the Holi celebrations at the popular Sonajuri Ghat this year. And this decision aims to protect the area's greenery from potential damage caused by large gathering. Now, the Sonajuri Ghat, which is located near the Visva Bharati University's UNESCO World Heritage Campus, has traditionally hosted vibrant spring festivals. And the forest department this time imposed a complete ban on the color play and other activities in the area, and of course the ban that has now been called for in view of damage to the green cover and the trees. Let's get in a word from Shreya, who is getting connected with us shortly. But this is a ban that has now been called, as the BJP this time has been raising concerns and questions as far as Subhendu Adhikari himself has questioned this directive coming in from the forest department of the West Bengal government.
ये एक क्षेत्र में नहीं हुआ है, पूरा प्रदेश में इस बार नया तरीके से पुलिस ने दुर्गा पूजा, पुलिस ने दूसरा कम्युनिटी की कोई प्रोग्राम, बड़ा प्रोग्राम में कोऑर्डिनेशन मीटिंग करता है। हम लोग पहले से देखा है, सीपीएम का रिजिम में देखा है, टीएमसी का रिजिम में भी देखा, लेकिन इस बार 2025 में पहली बार होली के लिए हार थाने में मीटिंग हुआ। मीटिंग में इशू क्या है, ये दूसरा कम्युनिटी के एक स्पेशल महीना चल रहा है और इस बार होली का जो डेट वो फ्राइडे है, इसलिए आमडांगा उत्तर 24 परगना का आईसी खुला बता दिया, ये रॉन्ग फॉन्ग नहीं देना चाहिए, होली फोली नहीं मनाना चाहिए, कुछ करेगा तो अरेस्ट हो जाएगा। एडिशनल एसपी बीरभूम, उन्होंने बताया 10 बजे के अंदर शांति निकेतन का बसंत उत्सव इस बार खत्म कर दीजिए, इस बार फ्राइडे है, स्पेशल डे है, इसलिए इस बार आप लोग 10 बजे के बाद कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए। ये पहले बार बंगाल में हो रहा है, जो कि ममता बनर्जी का पुलिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन खुद ही विभाजन का राजनीति कर रहा है, तुष्टीकरण का राजनीति।
बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है जब सनातन के और धर्मों की और त्योहारों की बात आती है, वेस्ट बंगाल का जो रवैया है हमेशा ऐसे ही उदासीन सा मिलता है और एंटी हिंदुज्म सनातन होता है। और मुझे लगता है ये उनकी मानसिकता दिखाई देती है, एक तुष्टीकरण की मानसिकता दिखाई देती है कि एक ही वोट बैंक को लाभान्वित करना और उनको खुश करना और दूसरे का कत्ल करना, कुचलना उसको, जिस प्रकार से वो कहते रहे सनातन को कुचल देंगे, वो भावना दिखाई देती है।
Well, BJP, they are raising questions over this directive. Let's get connected with Shreya right now. Shreya, is this the first time that the forest department has banned Holi celebrations at the Sonajuri Ghat, which had turned into a destination for lakhs of people during the spring festival? However, that had stopped already when it comes to the public participation of the spring festival after 2019. What is this directive all about?
Well, of course, we do see that there is a directive that is coming from the forest department. Remember, as far as the forest department is concerned, they say that is the directive is put in place, keeping the greenery of the place in mind. They're trying to protect the environment, because that is the area, the Sonajuri Ghat, where we do see a lot of visitors, including foreigners. They flock every year to celebrate the Holi festivities, and they do use colored water, because of which the greenery gets disturbed. That is the reason why this directive has been put in place. Remember, banners have been put up there which clearly says that parking of vehicles, playing of Holi, along with using photography and also drone cameras, all have been strictly prohibited. Now remember, as far as the BJP party is concerned, Subhendu Adhikari does call it politics of appeasement. He says that Holi is a very, very important festival when it comes to the Hindus, and it is Mamata Banerjee's government who on purpose is banning Holi. He goes on to allege that there has been several meetings that has been conducted in the police stations in Birbhum, and they have suggested to conclude the Holi festival by 10 a.m. in Shanti Niketan. And remember, Shanti Niketan, continues to be a very, very important place for Holi festivities. So, of course, we do see that there is a lot of politics that is playing out at this moment.
Yes, because the BJP on their hand has been raising the issue that why in particularly target festivals that Hindus mainly celebrate by, in the way of getting such kind of directives there, which has never happened before. And that is the reason, Shreya, that we are looking at leaders of the BJP who have been raising this issue, saying that this is only an excuse to call it a bid at protecting the environment.
Well, of course, we do see BJP politicizing the entire issue. They say that this is the politics of appeasement. They say that this has not happened in the past. And this very stance that they are trying to protect the greenery, protect the environment is just an excuse. So, of course, we see this kind of attack is coming from the BJP definitely. But remember, as far as the forest department is concerned, what they are saying at this point in time, they are saying that this is a bid to protect the environment. Also remember, Sonajuri Ghat, which is in question here, is very much close to the Vishwa Bharati campus, which is a UNESCO heritage site. So of course we see that this,
So this decision
mandate
is sparked off a debate that was made due to concerns that large-scale festivities could damage the area's rich greenery, something that the BJP is opposing. Shreya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Reactions that have been coming in of late when it comes to another bid as the hangama ahead of Holi festivities is also being reported from Telangana, where Hyderabad and Cyberabad police have issued a notification prohibiting throwing of colors or colored water on unwilling persons, places and vehicles, or smearing unwilling people with color on public roads and public places in Hyderabad. And causing annoyance to Amman is something that this issue has now been raised, where prohibition of two-wheelers, the movement and other vehicles in groups in streets and public places, disturbing peace and order or causing inconvenience or annoyance or danger to public, this issue that has now been raised on part of a notice